Alright you guys, so I am back with another video this week. I just got my July Boxycharm. I was really excited to get this one, I'm not gonna lie. Let's just go ahead and open it. I want to get started already, and I know you guys are probably excited to see what is included. If you guys aren't already subscribed to Boxycharm, you really need to stop sleeping on it. This is of course what the box looks like. The theme for this Boxycharm is au naturel. It's focusing on more natural, eco-friendly, you know, like clean type of beauty care. I really like the way they put a theme to every month's Boxycharm. The first thing that I'm gonna grab is this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I'm so excited for this. I love to mask. It's seriously so soothing to me. I just love it. This is what it looks like. And if I go to this little card again, it says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for a softer, smoother, more radiant skin. This actually retails for $35. Like I said in my first Boxycharm video, we're getting your money's worth, you guys, and then some. So again, like I said, this is the first product, and I might as well just get started. I'm just gonna open this really quick. Don't judge me. You guys, I don't know what that smells like, but it has a nice, clean, fresh scent to it. And to put that mask on, I'm actually gonna dip into the second little goodie that came with Boxycharm. This is what it looks like. This is the Luxie Jaya 3-piece brush set. And it says, create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. This set retails for $30. So again, the amount of money that you're saving with purchasing it through Boxycharm is amazing. Cute! You guys, I love anything pink. This is what the brushes look like. They just have a pink wood handle, and it comes with a 510 foundation brush, a 246 precision crease brush. It's just a little tiny thing. I'm for sure gonna love this, you guys. And the last brush that they included is a 250 large eye blending brush. Now going back to the mask, I'm actually going to use this foundation brush that they gave in the Jaya set. I think that's how you say it, you guys. I'm not sure, but we're running with it. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of that mask on the brush like so. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going to start applying this. I love the way this smells, you guys. The moisturizer that I wanted to talk to you guys about on my influencer video smells just like this. It's crazy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over. Also, I'm not gonna front like I didn't see Kathleen like put her mask on with this brush.
I saw Katie Heron wearing army pants and flip-flops, so I bought army pants and flip-flops.
If you guys know what I'm trying to reference, then we can be best friends. Now I'm just gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. But yeah, you guys, this is what the mask looks like. This is definitely a moisturizing mask. It just feels like smooth and healthy. But for now, I really love it, and like I said, I love the fresh scent of it, and it just makes my skin feel really healthy and supple. I'll take it. So I'm back. I just put on a quick little base. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the next product that was featured in the Boxycharm. This is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, serving queendom realness. Bring on your inner goddess in Butter Linden's vibrant Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades, whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress. These cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. And this palette retails for $32. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. As you can see, the shadows are super cute. So I'm gonna go into that Luxie brush that came in the JS set. I'm just gonna run with it, you guys. I'm not sure what type of look I'm trying to create, but let's just play around a little bit. I dipped into Temptress, which is this dark brown shade right here. I tapped into it the slightest bit because since there's no other matte transition shades in that palette, I just want a little light dust of brown in my crease. But I don't want it to be overwhelming. I just want it to be really slight. I really love these brushes. They're super soft, easy to work with. The shadows themselves are really nice. Definitely match what the name is called, Butter Linden. They're nice and buttery. It's blending and building really nicely. So now I'm going to go ahead and dip into Femme Fatale. And it's this end shade right here. I'm actually going to just grab a good amount of this. I'm just going to tap and blend as I go. Now that I've built a Femme Fatale, I think what I'm going to go ahead and do is low cut crease action. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the Precision Crease Brush, and then I'm going to start cutting my crease, you guys. I'm just going to touch up that first color that we laid down before I move on. I'm just deepening it along that crease line that we created. I'm just going to go ahead and blend. And this is what I have so far. And I'm actually going to dip into this green shimmer shade right here. It's the third color in the palette. It's called Star, and we're gonna pack that onto the lid. This is the finished look. I just want to let you guys know about the last two products that were included in the July Boxycharm. These two products I'm not going to use today because they didn't really go with the look that I, had started out with. But I do have this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Santorini. I do have a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand from when I was doing the eye look, but I want to swatch this lip color so you guys can see how pretty it is. So it looks like this. It definitely would not have gone with my look today. I didn't think that I would be, doing something this dramatic. But this is a beautiful lip color. It retails for $20. The last product that I got was these Kojendo Spa Cleansing Water Cloths, and they retail for $17. I'm definitely going to be testing these wipes out too. I wanted to quickly mention that I just got these lashes that I'm wearing right now from Target. I went to pick them up. These are the Eylure Jasmine Brown Curly Queen lashes. The packaging looks like this, and they're so pretty. Eylure is literally my favorite brand of drugstore eyelashes. I feel like they're super comfortable. They always have really cute styles, and they're easy to clean. So check them out. I just wanted to bring you guys a little bit closer so I can finish off this video. I had a lot of fun trying out all the different products. This box retailed for a total of $134. $134 versus $21. You guys, you're getting your money's worth. I look forward to it every month. It feels like Christmas. It's always super exciting to get new makeup and play with it, so why not try out Boxycharm? They pick out the things for you. You just fill out your little beauty quiz, customize it to what you would want. And I'm really happy with everything that I got. Feel free to click that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. That way you guys can keep up with any new videos that I post on here. Let me know down below if you guys like my look. If you didn't, let's chat and be friends. That's really what I started this channel for. I really just want to talk to other people just like me who love makeup. Not even just makeup, I mean just chat me up about anything. I'm always here to listen. I'll see you in the next one.